Hey, man, on this channel here, you know, we show all the troubleshooting, general maintenance, and all the knowledge that you need to know to be a golf cart owner, or if you work on golf carts. And I'm going to show you here on the EX1 engine how to put your cart into maintenance mode to get a code to tell you what's wrong with your car. All right. What you want to do is you want to turn the key on 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now you'll see it beep slow. All right, let me reset it. First, let me try to reset it again, because I just did it. All right, I reset it, let the car move. So what I'm gonna do, 1, 2, 3. There it goes. 2, 3, 1. 31 code. It's gonna tell you another code if there's more code to tell you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 65. And you can see, man, by the way it flashes fast first, it flashes slow to begin with. That's your first number. If it flashes fast, and that's your second number. And you can see here, this car here has got about 3 or 4 codes in it. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 71 for that time. You can see it went back to 31, so now it's repeating the same 3 codes again. And I just want to show everybody that, man, how to go into the troubleshooting status of the cart to tell you which code is what. If you got one that acts up sometimes it don't, because intermittent running is the hardest stuff to fix. This car here runs good for 5 days and is liable to not run good for 2 minutes. Didn't run good for another week. All right, so don't think this is going to tell you exactly what's wrong with it. It's going to shoot you in the general area, and then you got to figure it out from there. You can see if you put it in maintenance mode, I'll get it. All right, 1, 2, 3, and you can see it flash a 31 code. All right, 31 code means crank position sensor. And then here you got the 67 code, or 6-7. That means that your pedal switch is going bad, or it's shorting out, or something like that to do with the pedal switch. So you want to check voltage on your pedal switch, make sure it's good. Make sure it's stuck closed. And then you got the 7-1, which is your stuck throttle position. What it means is that there's something wrong with the throttle, and the throttle's not closing all the way. Could be the idle screw on the carburetor, could be you have it adjusted too much. But the way this cart acts like, man, intermittent running, I would lean more toward, because he said he does, the customer said he does it when he turns to the right most of the time. But every time he does that, he lets go of the gas. So therefore, I'm gonna lean more toward the throttle switch, or I'm gonna lean more toward the stuck throttle, like open. On the throttle itself, like the throttle position sensor is open. But all right, man, I just want to tell you what them codes meant, man. And that there is why you subscribe to my channel. You hit the like button. Always remember one thing, man. Watch another video, and hey.